if you're new here, welcome. My name is Claudia. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Cartier ring that I recently received from my boyfriend for my Valentine's Day and anniversary gift because it is on the same day. So if you're interested on learning more about the product, what it looks like on me, etc., please keep watching. So a little story about why I got the ring, or why my boyfriend got it for me, is because this year is going to be our third year being together, and for our first and second year together, he always got me a ring. So he decided to upgrade my ring again. Last year he got me a Tiffany ring, so he thought, why not get me a Cartier one, because I got a Cartier bracelet last year from my parents for graduation, and he thought it'd be nice to just get something to match with it. So that is why I have the ring. That's why he got it for me. But let's just jump right into it. So this is the bag that it comes with. It's actually really nice because underneath this bag, inside of it, so they have this cover, and then you just push it down or pull it up, and then the actual Cartier product is inside. I guess just for like security reasons, they don't want kind of like people seeing, oh, you got something from Cartier, so it's like not prone to you getting robbed. But also comes with the, let me see, the receipt and the certificate. So this is a certificate from Cartier. Just looks like this. It has like the, you see, it has like the serial number, the date of purchase, and a little bit about the brand and the Love collection itself. So yeah, we got this on 5th Ave. So this is the bag. Super high quality, like it's amazing, but I guess you get what you pay for, right? So this is, I asked for it to get gift wrap because why not, right? It's free. So this is how it looks like gift wrap. It is so intense. It has like that like the stamp, the Cartier stamp, and yeah, I just get straight into opening it. It's so like precious that I don't even want to open it. Ooh. Anyways, but yeah, this is the box. I'm probably just gonna keep one side of this stamp for myself, just because it's so unique, I think. Yeah. So if you open it up, voila! Here's a little small box, super extra, to be honest. But I'm just gonna pop it open for you guys, and that is the ring. Let me do it. Can you see it from there? Okay, yeah. So this is the ring close up. So I got it in yellow gold because obviously my bracelet is in yellow gold as well. So I was obviously debating between the thin band or the thick band, but after trying it out, it made so much more sense to get the thin band, just because it's like more dainty on me, and that's kind of like the I like the look of it. There's nothing wrong with the thick one on me as well, but I thought, I think they look better on me, so I'll just put it on to show you guys how it looks. This is the ring. It's so pretty. I love it. I think it goes really well with the bracelet, of course. Like, it's a really great set, and I think it's a really good present idea. So let's talk about the sizing first. So I was kind of debating between two sizes. I got the size in 51, but I also tried on 50, and although, like, let me just show you guys, this is the 51. It's like pretty, you know, there's a lot of wiggle room, but like I feel like it's not as easy to fall off my hand. I can like easily slide it in and out. But the 50 was definitely more snug. Like, it would be on like this ring, like there's no wiggle room at all. But I was thinking maybe in the summer, because my hands do get swollen sometimes, that I wanted enough space for my fingers to, sorry, not enough space, I just didn't want the ring to like feel super tight on me. So, because I know it gets really uncomfortable for me in the summer, because like I will sweat, and like sometimes like if I feel the ring too tight on my finger, I can feel the sweat between that too. So I didn't want that happening with this one, and I thought it was like nice to have some room to move it around. But I feel like right now it's actually really wiggly. Maybe because I'm just not as hot as I was yesterday when I first tried it on, because yesterday it was definitely like more like had more of like a it was more stuck. Is that the right term? Yeah, you guys know what I mean. But so I went with the size 51 with the thin band. The thick band is probably just like a little thicker than that. And also I'm wearing it on my middle finger because there's this Asian thing that my mom's always told me, that like if you put your fingers together, and let me just take the rings off and show you guys. If you put your fingers like this together and you have like holes in between your fingers, it's like not a good thing. So she would always say, oh, you can wear rings in between on those fingers to fill up those spaces. It's like a superstitious thing, but I just, you know, follow it just because it's like I guess culturally. But so I have it on this finger. I also like it on the middle just because I think it looks really like symmetrical, and because I have really long skinny fingers and bony fingers, I went with the thinner band instead of the thicker band. So I'm the person who doesn't really accessorize. I don't like layer necklaces or stack my rings or bracelets because frankly I don't think I'm just that good at it, and I just save a lot of time just wearing these everyday pieces. So that's why I go for like a more bold statement I guess pieces. So that's why I think this is a great idea. This is like the perfect idea for me. So this ring is 18 karat gold and it retails for $1,070 in New York City. So after taxes it was like $1,160, I believe. So depending on where you live, tax will be different. But yeah, it's a really great gifting idea if you're looking to gift something for a special someone, and if they like, you know, statement simplistic pieces. I definitely recommend the love ring. I can't wait to wear this ring. I know from experience from the bracelet it gets pretty scratched easily, so I already know with the ring it will too. But if you guys would like me to do a post review on the ring and the bracelet, I can definitely do a video together, so just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video with me. I hope this video finds you well, gives you kind of sort of a idea inspiration for a Valentine's Day gift, because it is coming up in like 2 days. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.